Just to quickly run you through some features on the tank. So you've got your fill box here. So it's a 1/2 inch BSP connection to bring the water on. You've got a safety level switch in the bottom there. If that's not floating, i.e. there's not enough water in the tank, then the tank won't work. Well, the heater won't work. It's protection for the heater element. You've got your 3 air blower jets you can see through the floor. You can adjust the level, obviously on the valve, and the actual fill box itself slides up and down. Drain down point, that's your temperature probe. Then round the other end, the air blower is mounted underneath here. You've got a regulation valve here, so you can open and close this to regulate the amount of agitation you want actually in the tank. So the pipework comes down here and then splits off to the 3 air blowers. The pipework gets quite warm because there's actually a heater built into the front of the air blower, so you're blowing warm air into the floor of the tank. So to give you a quick run through, switch the tank on. We're showing as a fault at the moment because the level switch is down. If I lift that up, then the fault goes away. So turn the heater on. It's not working at the moment because the level switch isn't down. When I lift it up, you hear the contactor kick in. Currently at 18.1 degrees. Turn that off. To adjust the temperature, I don't know why you'll be able to see this. Got these 2 arrows up and down. I'll set it to 52. So you can go 1/10 degrees. That's all you need to do. Just adjust that up and down to wherever you want it. Put that back on 52. The air blower. There you can see the air agitation. Hook up the cable. You obviously adjust that. And obviously the hanging bar for the bird. It's a good idea when you're taking the birds, when you're putting the birds on and off, like to actually switch the air blower off, then you haven't got the hot water splashing over your hands whilst you're hanging them on. And yeah, just play around just to get the water level right, so you've got the agitation. You want the water over, as long as the water's over the hocks, but obviously you don't want the water sloshing all the way out the side due to the agitation. So you can play around with water levels to get that absolutely spot on. Okay, hope that all makes sense for you.